How do you ask for permission in English? Let's watch some real conversations in 4 different situations.
Excuse me, miss. May I go to the bathroom, please?
Of course, go ahead. But please be quick.
Could I also borrow a pen? I forgot mine at home.
I'm sorry, but I don't have an extra one. Ask one of your classmates.
Good morning. Do you mind if I leave early today? I have a doctor's appointment.
Not at all. Just make sure you finish the report before you go.
Thank you. Would it be possible to take Friday off as well?
I'm afraid that won't work. We have the big meeting on Friday.
Hey, is it okay if I use your charger? My phone's about to die.
Yeah, sure, go for it.
Oh, and can I have some of your fries?
No way, get your own.
May I have your attention, please? I'd like to make a suggestion.
Please, go ahead. The floor is yours.
Would you permit me to present an alternative plan?
Certainly. We'd be happy to hear your ideas.
Remember, use may I and could I for formal moments. Can I and is it okay if I for casual ones. Match your words to the situation.